Imagine you've just won a ton of cash online. You're ecstatic, but then reality hits. How do you actually get that money into your pocket? That's where Paysafe comes in. It's a popular online payment method that allows you to transfer funds securely and conveniently. But how exactly do you redeem your Paysafe balance? That's what we're going to explore today. Before we dive into the redemption process, let's quickly understand what Paysafe is. It's essentially a digital voucher that can be used for various online transactions. You can purchase Paysafe cards from authorized retailers or buy them online. Once you have a Paysafe code, you're ready to use it. Redemption methods. Now, let's get to the main event, how to redeem your Paysafe. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on where you want to use your funds. 1. Online merchants. This is the most common method. Simply visit the website of the online merchant where you want to make a purchase. During the checkout process, you'll be presented with payment options. Select Paysafe or a similar option. You'll be prompted to enter your Paysafe code. Once you do, the funds will be deducted from your Paysafe balance, and your purchase will be processed. 2. Online casinos and gaming platforms. Many online casinos and gaming platforms accept Paysafe as a payment method. The process is similar to online merchants. Visit the casino's website and select Paysafe as your deposit method. Enter your Paysafe code, and the funds will be credited to your casino account. 3. Cash withdrawal. If you prefer to withdraw your Paysafe funds as cash, you can do so at certain locations. Check the Paysafe website or contact customer support to find authorized locations near you. You'll need to provide your Paysafe code and identification to complete the cash withdrawal. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. Check expiration dates. Paysafe cards have expiration dates. Ensure that your card is valid before attempting to redeem it. Security. Always treat your Paysafe code as confidential. Never share it with anyone else. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions about redeeming your Paysafe, don't hesitate to contact Paysafe customer support. Redeeming your Paysafe is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Whether you're shopping online, playing at an online casino, or withdrawing cash, Paysafe offers a convenient and secure way to use your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.